Friends, this is the lecture number 4. Again, I am just telling you that before coming in this lecture, you must go to the previous lecture, then it will be clear. So today we will discuss about the root test. So in this root test, what they have written, let sigma un be an infinite series of positive term and limit n tends to infinite un की power 1 upon n. It is going to converging to lambda, and lambda is less than 1, then convergent. Lambda is greater than 1, then this is divergent. If lambda is equal to 1, then fail. The question is, whenever you have any question, then how to find that? You have to use the root test, because there are more than 12 tests. I am using only 3 or 4 tests, 5 or 6 tests, okay? But how to know that what test you will use, okay? Whenever you are just taking the root test, you must note that whenever you have such type of question, any question where they have given the power, okay, whenever they have given power, at that time you will use the root test. Power means, suppose they have given you just like this question, they have given you power and power of this. Whenever they have given you such type of power, then you will use the root test. Okay, so now we will look here how to solve such type of question. Okay, that is un. Un, you have un 1 plus 1 upon square root n की power this minus, okay, n की power 3 upon 2. Okay, so now after then you have to use 1 upon n. Whatever they have given you, you have to use its power 1 upon n. Now un की power 1 upon n is equal to 1 plus square root n की power 3 upon 2 की power 1 upon n. Okay, in this condition you will get, actually its meaning is n की power 3 upon 2 into this is below, then n की power minus 1, then this is 3 upon 2 minus 1, and 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. This is n to power 1 upon 2. Okay, so you are getting 1 upon square root n minus root n. Okay, so now this is un की power 1 upon n, and you know that n की power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon n. Similarly, limit n tends to infinite. Now we will check at n tends to infinite, this series where the function will converge is equal to limit n tends to infinite. I can write this like this, n की power minus 1 is equal to this. So this is one value, it's a power. We can write this 1 upon. Okay, you must note, already we have discussed, whenever you have such type of function, okay, 1 plus 1 upon L की power L, okay, that is converging to E. Okay, already we have discussed. So this will be also converging to 1 upon E. Okay, so now you can see that limit n tends to infinite un की power 1 upon E, that is converging to lambda, that is finite, that is non-zero. Okay, this is a finite value. Okay, what this is, lambda is greater than 1 or less than 1. Now we will check it. So 1 upon E, we can see that this is less than 1. So if this is less than 1, then this is convergent. Okay, this is your root test. So this is very simple. In the exam, you will get a lot of such type of question. How to find, to use this root test? Very simple. Whenever they have given you any question, if there is a power, then you will use root test. If there is a factorial, then you will use ratio test. Go to the previous lecture. You will use ratio test. Here you are using power root test because there is a power. So whatever they have given you, you will use un. Okay. Then after then you have to use un की power 1 upon n. Then you will, and limit n tends to infinite. Then you will check that what value you are getting. Un की power 1 upon n, limit n tends to infinite. Then you are getting this lambda. So whatever you are getting, if it's less than 1, then this is convergent. If it is greater than 1, then this is divergent. If it is 1, then fail. We will discuss after some time. when it's a fail. Okay, so I think that your concept it is clear. Okay, just now we are going in the next lecture, then your concept it will clear when the ratio test and root test fail. Okay, thank you so much.